Kia ora everybody, Tū from Alien Weaponry here to answer this very good question. What would my advice be for anybody who wants to learn Te Reo Māori, the Māori language? Now this is a very complex question, so I'll try to squeeze as much in as possible. But firstly, I think a really important thing when it comes to learning language is setting a realistic expectation. Language learning is a lifelong journey, and you cannot, unfortunately, learn a language in 1 year. So if you set a realistic expectation, it'll stop you from feeling defeated when unrealistic expectations are not met. That being said, what are ways you can learn Māori? Well, the obvious way is by going to classes, whether it be online classes, written classes like through books, and or the ability to attend the class physically in person are all great starts. Now, if you can't do that or you just want to improve even further, my next tip would be to absorb Māori language from as many facets as you can, okay? So that would be listening to Māori music, watching Māori movies, reading Māori books. I know a lot of people like to look at old interviews and news media that are written in Māori. So that would be key. Now, the next thing, which is sometimes the hardest and or the easiest depending on where you are, is having somebody to speak with. You can learn all the information you like, but not being able to put it into practice will make that journey a lot harder for you. It's the thing that I have struggled with the most, is having someone around me in which I can speak in Te Reo Māori to consistently enough to keep my levels up. So those would be my tips for anybody out there who wants to learn Te Reo Māori. Best of luck.